All right, welcome back. Sweet. Okay. The this is lesson 3, part 2 for working with rhythms with music with Mr. Day. Please make sure if you haven't watched the other videos to go check those out first. There's already a part 1 to this lesson, to lesson 3. There's also 2 other lessons that I've done over working with rhythms, and there's 6 different videos inside lesson 1 and lesson 2. And of course, there's also the instrument families where we did our last 2 lessons here online for my students at Parkway Elementary. And those 2 are a hoot, so you should definitely check those out as well. Other than that, we left off with trying to find one of the students' supplies here in this little game. Um, the the pet hamster got out and took all of her supplies and has been throwing them around everywhere, and now the pet is lost too. So we've been going around trying to hunt down all these items. I believe that there's like 8 more items that we have to find, and then we've got it, which is really cool. Um, After that, we'll be all done with this little thing, and then I've got a little tic-tac-toe game for us at the end, for um for the end of this lesson, for just a little fun between you and me. Okay, with that, we will go ahead and get right back to where we left off with this rhythm right down here. Okay, now keep in mind the item that we're going to be looking for after we've performed this rhythm is going to be this, an iPad. So we're going to have to try to look around this room to see if we can find it. But first, we have to perform this rhythm. Okay, so we'll go ahead and look it over a little bit, give it a little look-see. All right, get that study beat going. I'll give you 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll come in together. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, tickety, ta. Nice. Let's try it one more time. One more time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, tickety, ta. Nice, nice, really nice. Okay, that's really good. Let's go ahead and try to find this item. Now remember, it's an iPad. It's got to be somewhere around here. Um, where did that hamster leave it? Hmm. Hmm. I don't see anything up here. I don't see anything on here. I don't see anything over here. Do you guys see it? Oh? Are some of you saying you see this right here? That's exactly it. That's perfect. Very nice. Okay. Nice, nice. Okay. Really cool. Um, really nice job. So that's kind of the concept of the game. So we're gonna look right here. Looks like the next thing we're looking for is a textbook. All right. Here's our rhythm right here. Let's see if we can get it. All right. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety ta, tickety ta. Nice. Give it one more try. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety ta, tickety ta. Nice. Really nice job. Okay. Now remember, we're looking for a textbook. So let's give a looky here. All right. I'll give you guys a moment to look through this place, see if you can find that notebook. I don't see anything over here. You guys see anything over here? Oh, it looks like they're serving fresh notebooks today right here. Nice, nice. Good eyes, guys. Really nice. Okay, here's the next one. Um, the next item that we're looking for right up here. A locker lock. Okay, a locker lock. Okay, let's do the rhythm here first. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta. Nice. Okay, let's try it one more time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta. Nice. Exactly. Okay, now we're trying to look for a locker lock. See if we can find it anywhere. Locker lock. Where might that be? Do you guys see it? I don't see anything over here. I don't see anything over here. Nothing over here. Oh? Looks like we found something sitting right on a person's face. Oh my goodness. Nice, nice. Let's keep it going. Alright, the next one we're looking for is a ruler. A ruler. It's a toughie. Okay. Let's do the rhythm first, and we'll get right on into it. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ticka ticka ta, shh, ta. Nice. Try it one more time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ticka ticka ta, shh, ta. Nice. Good job, guys. Doing really good with those rhythms. All right. Looking for a ruler. Looking for a ruler. Okay. Let's see. I don't see anything over here. I don't see the students don't have it. Don't see them have the ruler. What is this guy looking at though? Looks like he's looking right over here at the ruler. Oh my goodness. It looks like our students inside the game have helped us out a little bit. Helped us find this ruler. Really nice. Okay. Okay. Next item that we're looking for, a highlighter. Okay. Let's try out this rhythm first. I'll give you a moment to look at it. All right. Let's try this rhythm together. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. T, T, ta, sh, ta. Nice. One more time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. T, T, ta, sh, ta. Nice. Nice. Good job. Now moving to try to find this highlighter. Okay. Let's see. Where is this highlighter? I don't see anything under the sign. Nothing around the buckets or the broom. Nothing with the light. Do you guys see it? Oh, I think I heard someone say something. Oh, nice. Good eyes, guys. Good eyes. Really nice. Okay. Looks like we're in the library here. And the next thing we're looking for is a pencil. Next thing we're going to be looking for is a pencil. But first we got to do this rhythm. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, tickety, ta, ta. I don't know if the video is actually blocking me or not. I don't think it is, but if it is, the last one's a quarter note. My apologies if it is. Ooh. Let's try it one more time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, tickety, ta, ta. Nice, nice. Good job. Let's go ahead and push forward. Try to find this pencil. Now, where do you guys think that this pencil might be? It's not these, sadly. Those belong to her. The pencil is somewhere else. I think it's a green pencil. So, where do we think that this green pencil might be? I don't see anything on the first row. Nothing on the second row. Maybe on the third? Oh, look at that. You guys see that right there? Oh, that really blends in too. There's the pencil. Nice job, nice job. Okay, a stapler. Okay, trying to hunt down a stapler. All right. Give you guys a moment to look at that rhythm. It's got some ticketies. All right. Let's give it a go. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, tickety, tee, tee, ta. Nice. Try it one more time in 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, tickety, tee, tee, ta. Nice. Wonderful job, guys. Really nice. Good job. All right, looking for a stapler. All right. All right. You guys see it anywhere? I don't see it anywhere near the bed. Nothing under the bed. It doesn't look like either person has it. Nothing by the pictures. It's a telephone. Paper. More paper. Nothing on this shelf. Maybe it's on this shelf. Oh, nice. Thank you for helping me find it. That's it. Nice. Okay. Next thing we're looking for is a composition notebook inside the principal's office. Oh my goodness, this hamster has been running around everywhere. Okay. But first we gotta try out this rhythm. I'll give you a moment to look it over. Give it a moment. All right. Let's try it. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, 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 ta. Nice. Try it one more time in 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickety, 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 ta. Nice. Very nice. It's perfect. All right, composition notebook. Where do we think that might be? A composition notebook. I hear that it's red. Maybe it's that one? No, it's not that one. That's the principal's. Nothing over here. It's not that. That's a bell. There's nothing over here. Oh! It looks like we found something. I think that this might be it. Oh! We did it! Nice job! Oh, and there goes back the hamster. Oh my goodness. Well done to all of you guys. Really nice job. We found the hamster and all of this lady's school supplies. So, well done to every single one of you. Really nice job. That really concludes our stuff. I've got one more really fun game that we get to do here. Inside the last part of our lesson here. A good little tic-tac-toe versus match between you and me. We're gonna tic-tac-toe. See who comes out on top. Okay, so with that will be in part 3. It's been a lot of fun. You guys did fantastic inside that last game, so really nice job. We're just gonna have some fun here in this last part, and then we will move on. See you guys in lesson 3, part 3. Bye-bye.